This is ECU P12. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program an ECU that is being tuner locked. Tuner lock is after you program using special software and you will no longer be able to use regular software to read and write. This is the software trying to prevent you to make further modification, but somehow you do want to make the changes and they just don't allow you. Now with Unicante software, we can deal with a different method of tuner lock. In this video, the tuner lock is change the seed and key request command. They can also change the seed and key algorithm or seed and key itself. All of them, they can be done in the software. Here is the setup. We have the ground pin here and then 12 volt and the VPW pin. Now Unicante NAND paired with this board can work with the VPW. So here we have a 12 volt and the ground pin to this board, then the VPW pin is connected here. Now I'm using the this PC power supply, the 12 volt, and it works quite well. So let's first take a look what we have now. So we can power on, and then we can turn the device on, and you can see we should be able to read the ECU info and without a problem. But if we try to hit detect, nothing happens. And here we can turn on the log. So let's turn on the VPW log and take a look what happens. So we can see we're trying to talk to it, and we send the request say 2701, and the 7F is reject. So the command set has been changed from 27 to something else. Now I have run the script, and we found the command has been changed to something else. So let me show you how this can be found. I have a command called read VPW and 2701. It will be the same, and you will see it's rejected. Now I have tried from 20 to 2F, and at the 26 we got it. So let me see, we can get 2601, and we see the request coming back at 67. Normally we should see 27 and the 67 is the response. But here I send 26 and 67 is coming back, and this is the seed. So how can we work on this thing? So we go to the configure folder, and in this folder we need to find the VPW and edit it. So here is the edit. Here is the edit, and we need to add this line. So this line is seed request command. So this seed request command 26 will override the current 27. So I'm going to shut off the, so save this file and then restart the software. So I restart software. We can see we can still read the here. Now if I hit the ID, I am able to get the seed and send the key request. And this is by modify the configuration, we change the command from 27 to 26. And now I'm able to rewrite the complete firmware, and we can go back to the original one. So now I'm going to see my current load flash. And the flash is this thing. So this is the one that without the tuner lock. So I'm going to write the flash, and I click yes. So it will do the erase and then program. After programming the regular firmware, you need to change it back to, or remove that line. You need to remove that line and change it back to the original configuration, and it will work. So I'm going to show you after the programming, then this one will no longer detect before I take out this line. So the programming speed is about 6 kilobytes per second, and it will take a minute or two to program. So it finished the programming in 3 minutes 14 seconds. Completing okay, everything's okay. Now let me power off. and then power back on. Wait about 10 seconds. You can see if I can. Okay, so let me try. I can read the ECU info, but if I try to hit detect, I can't. The reason for that one is, let's take a look. I'm sending 26 and it will not work. So I'm going to shut this off and remove this line. Then restart the software. Restart software, and let's do this again and hit detect. So now the ECU is going back to regular mode, and we can use the regular configuration to read and write this ECU.